Whenever Bestline moves into a new market, they always come in and do a great job. From their facilities to their people, both on the technical side and the sales side, Bestline is always first class.
Today we're having an open house at our newest Bestline equipment location in Jessup, Maryland. We're having demonstrations of several Develon pieces of equipment, and we have many of our manufacturing partners here helping us to man the show.
We are partners with Bestline Equipment as a premier dealership, and we supply anything from our mobile generators to our electric light towers and diesel light towers. With Bestline coming down to the Maryland industry, we wanted to really be involved with helping them launch off and get a real foothold in the market.
We have a food truck as soon as you walk in for our customers. We're doing giveaways of hats. We have raffles for some really nice products. We have a Yeti cooler to whoever is the fastest time on the ring toss rodeo in our Develon DX140 LCR.
This is a nice thing to actually show our customers as well, because it translates to them, right? You've got a team behind you. It doesn't matter what job needs to be done, it just gets done. We work as a team to make both us happy and you happy.
Our Bestline team came from all of our different locations. A lot of the management and sales reps from other stores spend a lot of time. The yard looks great. We just regraded it. We have a nice selection of equipment.
The best part of being here face to face is not only does it show that Bestline has a bunch of different products, but also has the expertise for the products that they're willing to sell, and it has the people that they know they can go to find the information and be able to back up the products that Bestline is selling by having the manufacturer rep here to also discuss with them.
It increases the conversation about accessories and attachments and maybe some high-tech add-ons like Topcon 3D positioning for our heavy equipment.
Topcon Solution Stores offers the latest technology for all site work contractors. We work with Bestline on the bulldozers and excavator rentals. We have a great partnership that's been running for about 3 years now. We swung by the open house just to see our local representatives. Like I said, we've had about a 3-year relationship up in Pennsylvania, and we're trying to build that relationship here in Maryland. They have a great facility, tons of support, and a great shop.
The benefit of open houses are definitely threefold, I would say. First of all, it gives awareness to our customer. It's a really nice change of pace to actually ask the customer to come be our guest instead of us asking for commitment. The second thing I love about an open house is it's an opportunity for the Bestline team to get together. We work hard, we put thought into our different stations. Great team building exercise, lots of camaraderie built. We have the nearby locations pitching in to help, knowing that in a year or two, when the open house is at your facility, the same team you're helping is gonna come up and help you out. And the third thing I love about this, the manufacturers that we all deal with. We have incredible relationships with our product representatives.
I work a lot individually in each different market with Bestline employees, whether it be on the sales side or the support side. It's great to get everybody into one location where we're going out to dinner, we're spending a lot of time together, and it's not all just about work, which is usually what it is.
These things are incredible for driving revenue and business for Bestline equipment, but also the relationships that they drive internally and externally with our partners are, you can't even put a value on it.
So if the customer ends up leaving happy, you got something to eat, right? Maybe won a prize or two and learned something at the same time and had a great day.